Hello, I'm going to show how to draw frames per second on the HUD using C++. Go to the C++ tab, create a new first-person project. I'm going to call mine frames per sec and press create. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.22.0. I'm using Visual Studio 2017. Open up the Sources panel. Go to C++ classes. Double click the frames per sec HUD.h file to open it in Visual Studio. On the frames per sec HUD.cpp file, find the draw HUD function. Go to the end of it. And enter this code. Go to Build and Build Solution. I already built the solution and the build succeeded. I'll press play to test. On the left hand side in red is the frames per second counter. It also shows milliseconds. I'm going to enter the console command stat fps. This will bring up the frames per second counter in green on the right that's built into the system, but this is only available in development, so if you want the frames per second counter in production you have to program it yourself. The values match up, so it shows that the counter is working correctly.